today, guys, we are unboxing the Dahua monitor 22-inch, guys. So, if you like our channel, if you like things we do with my effort here to the bottom, please do subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave a comment below. Otherwise, let's get this video started. Yeah.
This could be us.
So back to what I was saying.
Could be us.
So guys, today we got it's not a Dahua, it's called what? Dahua, a monitor Dahua. This is the LM24-A200V. It's considered a 24-inch, but this is a 23.8-inch monitor. But Evetech is considered it as a 24-inch. I think they're just round off the numbers. But yeah, we got it from Evetech. So yeah, Evetech. Basically, it's like we're buying a birthday present for ourselves before our birthday present. But basically, yeah, short story is this. I stream, play games every day. And my TV, I used to use the TV 32-inch, it sort of died on me. So now I'm left with one screen. So I bought a screen so that I can use it for a second screen. And also I bought another one to use it for Mrs. PC because I'm building a PC on the side. But yeah, so this is the gist of it. But anyway, you know, I don't like the big story, not what. But I need a screen, that's it. And also, for those who don't follow me, you guys follow me on ZuluMachine Gaming on all platforms, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and everything. But I stream on all of those platforms whenever it allows me to do that. You know, and that. Let's get into unboxing this thing. Basically, first thing before you open here, let's check the specs. I'm not going to read what it is here, but I'm going to show you also. There it is, guys. This guy is it's a 1080 monitor, and also it has 100 Hz of refresh rates and low blue light, tilt angle, can tilt and do all of those things. Wide angle view, HDMI support. We're going to test all of those things, guys, when we actually build it here. We're going to build it here today in front of you. And after that, what else it tells you? Okay, that's what it tells you on the box here. I'm not trying to read what it tells me on the box. I'm not going to go through all the details. And also on the basically on the website at Evetech, I'll try to put more details for it, maybe in the description if I remember all of it. But I'll put a link for Evetech if you like to buy yourselves. So basically, they tell us that it's 500 ms response time. For those who want to know the response time. And also it's a 3-year warranty for in the SA. So if you're in SA in South Africa, you get a 3-year warranty for this monitor. Yeah, and also the price of it is 1,799 at Evetech. So yeah, anyway, let's get down to it and look at it and see what we got and actually build it, guys. And also I got scissors here as a backup. Well, I thought I have to be cutting tape. And I already cut the other tape that I need to cut, but I think the easiest thing to do is just to open it and see what we have inside the box, guys. So for now, the easiest thing is just a monitor, guys. Nothing else. Just a monitor that you're going to be looking at here. And the reason why I bought it is 100 Hz, guys. So that means I can push the limits of it to 100 ms or 100 fps on my machine. And plus the AMD, I'll call it assistant, what do you call that thing? The new AI thing, guys, that comes with it. Anyway, guys, let me just put it on the couch here. Okay, the box is out. Boom, it's out of the box. This is the safety net. You know, everything that's there, it's safety net. Anyway, first thing that comes with it is an HDMI cable, which you need to connect to your things. There's an HDMI, and after that is the power connector thing called adapter. There it is. This is the adapter for its power. And after that, what is this other thing? I guess it's an installation guide for those who want to do installation like me today. And also a manual installation, you can even download it. There is the QR code to download. I don't know how we're going to zoom that. But good luck with zooming that to download that thing. And other things like product stuff and reading, I guess. So inside here, we can open up let's check out, let me see how it looks like inside. Because I'm going to use this one. Okay, cool. They're just showing you how to set it up. There it is. I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm already done with step number 1. The other stuff I'm going to do, I think it's not as hard as I thought it should be. Should be not as hard. Anyway, let's put this on the side here. Because I think I'm going to have to get my tools at some stage. Okay. So we've got the stand, the bottom part, the bottom piece, the standing part, and we're gonna just take it out. There it is, guys, the bottom part of the screen where it stands with. And also we got the, what do you call it, the connector, the screen, and quite to the bottom of it. I forgot what to call it, guys. But we got that part which comes on the box. There it is, guys. Just gonna connect here. Bam. I just want to connect it to the screen first before I connect it to the bottom of the stand. This is part of the stand of the screen. And after that, we have, okay, and let me set the screen. And that's my first time opening this thing. So I don't know how it looks like. I'm same as you. We are together in this one, guys. Everything I'm going to be unboxing with you, just know I'm opening the first time with you. I have not opened it unless I specify that I did open it. But look at it. OMG, look at it, guys. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, let's go. And also, this is how it looks like here in the back here. Boom. And also, basically, it has the HDMI, it has a VGA, it has a audio DC. Basically, I don't know what the audio DC does. I think it's just audio jack that you can put in and get the audio from this guy. And the back is a turn on and turn off button. And I don't see anything else here. Yeah, except the model number and the serial number. That's that. Yeah, that's the screen, guys. That's the screen. Guys, I think this what called Dahua. They never fit, guys. They never fit. It looks weird. But the actual name of it is a Dahua. That's a Dahua. Hopefully correct me guys if I'm wrong. I said Dahua, guys. And I did buy it because it's on special, and also it was very cheap to buy it for a 24-inch, 1.7, 100 Hz of response time, 100 Hz. The speed of it was good. And also, let's just connect it. It's easy, guys. You take this thing, you put it in the back here, which I'm hoping you just push it down. Okay, just push it. Okay, boom, I pushed it. Now you connect it to the stand, to the bottom of this thing. And I'm just checking which side is it on, because, yeah. Is it this side? Nope, this side. Okay. Then you just push it down. Yeah, I heard things cracking, and also, whoa, you have the screen now, and it's gonna tilt, I guess. Yeah, it is. It tilts a bit. So it does tilt. So yeah, there it is, guys. That's the screen for you guys. There it is. We've got the screen here, and we can actually connect it, but I don't have any PC close to me to show you how it works. But we can try to connect it and see if it powers on or not. But you know, we expect it to power on because it came from Evetech. Everything from Evetech, it should power on. I'm putting the cable on the wall right now to show you how it is. And yeah, the MS, all of this other stuff we're displaying it. I think today we won't be testing it, but we'll show you how it looks like when you turn it on and how it looks like, guys. That's what I'm gonna try and show you today. If I can, if it allows. Oh, the cable is so small. Why is the cable so short? It has a short cable, guys. Very short cable. Like literally, I can't get to it from my socket wall. But let me see if I can connect it and show you closer, a bit closer. I don't think I'll be able to show you a bit closer. Let me see. Boom. I don't think I can get up here. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna have to move everything I have there. Let's get a cable, guys. Get a cable. Okay, we're back, guys. We're back. So right now we're gonna be connecting the power and the screen, and also got an adapter for our laptop. We're gonna connect the laptop to the screen to show you how it looks like, and hopefully, guys, gonna be happy with that and be impressed. You know, it works and stuff. But yeah, we bought it for gaming, guys. We didn't buy it for anything else. So let me connect the power here. Okay, power is onto it and it's turning on now. Oh, you can see. Also, let's move this flower away a bit. Hello. Okay. And now we're connecting the HDMI, guys. Let's connect the HDMI. There it is. And let's play something from Crash. I'm gonna play some anime with no volume. I will not put any volume because I don't want any, what do you call it, any issues with copyrights, but just connect the screen so that you guys can see it works. Yeah, and also I don't know, I won't be able to test to show you that it can go up to 100 FPS because I don't have a game on this PC, but for today's purposes, we're just unboxing it and showing you what we have and how it looks like. And is it connected? Let's see. Yep, it's connected. As you can see, guys, it's beautiful showing there. And also, can I get some Crash things happening here? Let's see. Let me see if I can refresh and play something from Crunch. Internet if it's fast. We're testing it live. We're testing it live. And Crunch is not crunching. It's so slow. Why is it so slow, Crunch? Oh, it's on the wrong network. That's why. Okay. Okay, so I tell out the network thing, and I'm already switching, which I'm not sure should not be, but I am switching on the sweat box now. Okay, cool. Yep, and let's move this picture to the screen. Is it here? Oh, looks like it is. Or is it there? Whoa, okay, there it is. Let me check it out first quickly, guys, so I can show you. But let's play anime. I'm gonna put it. Is it 4K or something? Okay, I can go up to 1080. Sadly. Bro. But anyway, let's put it up there and show you. Too bad whoever hasn't watched this anime. This is how it looks like, guys. New screen, so beautiful. Yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying this one, and we are showing you how it looks like, guys. Very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Yeah. For those who don't know, this anime, guys, is a very wonderful anime. Demon King, something. And you can lift it up a bit just to show you closer. That's how it looks like, guys. And also, this is how everything looks like at the back and at the bottom. At the bottom, that's how it looks like. Yeah. And also, hopefully I didn't turn off everything. Did I put it? That's, I sort of pulled it a bit. But anyway, it's connected now. It does do the tilt thing, which is really nice, you know. Yeah, that's gonna be our second monitor that we're gonna be using for our streams, guys. Yeah, that looks cool. Hola. Yo, I hope you enjoyed our small unboxing, guys. And yeah, we're gonna be testing this thing and checking it out in a couple of days. So hopefully you enjoy it, you are happy with our unboxing. Also leave the comments below if you've ever used the Dahua screens, because I've never used them, my first time getting them. So yeah, leave the comments below there, check out how it is, and also I'll leave the link for the Evetech so that you can go buy the Evetech. Otherwise, this is ZuluMachine signing out. I'll see you guys next time when I unbox, travel, do other things. Alright, we are here, goodbye, and have fun.
This could be us.
So back to what I was saying.
Could be us.